We shall continue with our analysis of the poem The Pilgrim. In the previous video, we have seen that the old man or the pilgrim has crossed the gulf, and after crossing the gulf, he builds a bridge to span the tide, that is, to cover the distance between two points to cross the gulf. He does not have actually the need to build any bridge there, because he has already reached safely. He has crossed the gulf without bridge, with the help of his own strength. But still he builds bridge there. Why does he build bridge afterwards, after reaching the other shore? Now he does not need it. He is not going to once again cross the gulf and reach the part which he has already left behind him. But still he builds there. What is the reason? This is the obvious question. Anybody can ask it. And the same question is asked by his fellow traveler or his companion. "Old man," said a fellow pilgrim near, "why waste your time in building here?" His fellow traveler, a fellow pilgrim who was near him, he asked the question, "Why do you waste your time and perhaps energy as well in building here? Your journey ends with the close of the day. You never again will pass this way." Now, which way cannot be travelled again and again or twice? It is life journey. The journey of life cannot be repeated. Once you live your life, you live it once and for all. You do not once again become a child and afterwards young once again, and thereafter mature and once again getting old. This repeated cycle is not allowed to be lived for anybody. You live only once, and your childhood never returns to you. So you are not going to face this difficulty of crossing the gulf or facing the difficulties and overcoming them once again. You have travelled. You have reached the other part of the shore. You have crossed the gulf. You have overcome the difficulties. And now it is not necessary for you to make those difficulties easier for others, or find some ways to overcome those difficulties, because you are not going to face those difficulties now. Then why do you work now? Why do you waste your time in bridging the gulf or building the bridge here? The pilgrim who is asking this question doesn't deserve the term that describes him as a pilgrim, because a pilgrim has some mission. He has some goal in life. But the questioner here doesn't seem to have any goal, and therefore he feels that it is just wastage of time of his fellow pilgrim who is building the bridge, because the remaining part of his energy and remaining part of his time, instead of using it for the enjoyment of remaining life, he is using it in work, in some hard work, purposeful work. And the fruits of that work will not be enjoyed by this pilgrim or his fellow pilgrim as well. But the pilgrim who is building the bridge is a selfless man, whereas the pilgrim who is just traveling along the road is a selfish man. Therefore, the unselfishness, selflessness of the pilgrim who builds the bridge for others is highlighted in this poem. Sorry. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build you here at eventide? Now the words eventide, they mean late evening. They also symbolize old age. Now you have reached your old age, and in this age you are doing some hard work which is not useful for you, and therefore it must be useless for you. That is the mentality of selfish pilgrim. But unselfish pilgrim feels along with Tennyson's Ulysses, who feels how dull it is to pause, to make an end, to rust unburnished, not to shine in use, and says, death closes all, but something before the end, some work of noble note may yet be done. He is doing this noble work for the generations who will follow after him. A grandfather who plants a mango tree in his old age, he will not enjoy the fruits of that mango tree, but his grandchildren and great-grandchildren will enjoy the fruits of that mango tree. Therefore, he is unselfish pilgrim. He symbolizes unselfishness of all noble people who have done some honorable, some worthy work for all humanity. Okay, we shall continue our analysis in the next part of the video. Thanks.